It's mounted with these two jam nuts to a bracket, and that bracket holds it right by the brake pedal, so that normally when your brake pedal is up, the button is pressed in. The brake pedal is holding the button in all the time, and the lights are out. On, off, on, off. So now all I got to do is I got to make this do that work for me instead of my thumb, so that that'll be brake light off, and then when you push the pedal, then the metal comes away from the button and the brake light comes on. So we need to start with something like this, with a hole there and a hole there. Now that our switch is in there and that doesn't hit, we need a striker plate. Alright, let's check it out.